In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use filter actions in calculations in Tableau. Let's dive in. First, you'll want to get started by opening the Tableau public app. This is a vital step because it's the main platform where all our actions will be taking place today. After you have the app open, the next step is to access your worksheet. Once you're in your worksheet, you should see a list of available sheets. Here, you need to select the sheet that you want to put into your dashboard. Great, now let's create a dashboard. Open a new dashboard by navigating to the option within your Tableau environment. This new dashboard is the canvas where you'll be seamlessly arranging your data visualizations for better insights and interactivity. Now that you've opened a new dashboard, you should see the list of your sheets on the left side of the Tableau interface. You'll need to drag the sheets you want to include onto your dashboard canvas. This essentially means placing each sheet on your dashboard in the layout you prefer. Once your sheets are nicely laid out on the dashboard, it's time to access the dashboard menu. In this menu, you need to find and select Actions. Actions are the tools that give life to your dashboard, allowing you to create interactive elements that can make exploring data more user-friendly and intuitive. In the Actions dialog box, click on Add Action and then select Filter. By adding a filter action, you are enabling your dashboard to react and adjust based on user interactions, specifically filtering through data selections. Now you'll need to select a source sheet. This is the sheet from which you want the filter action to get its input. Once you've selected your source sheet, choose the option Select for Run Action. This tells Tableau that whenever a user makes a selection, it should trigger the action. The next step involves selecting target sheets and specifying what you want to happen when the action is run. Here, you'll want to set the action to exclude all values that don't meet the criteria you've set. This is crucial because it streamlines the data that your audience sees, focusing only on the relevant sections. Finally, confirm your settings by clicking OK. At this point, you should see your dashboard come to life with the dynamic interactions you've set up. As a finishing touch, if you want a cleaner look, you can hide the titles of the sheets in your dashboard. This makes your visualization neat and can sometimes help maintain focus on the data rather than on the sheet specifications. So there you have it. You now know how to effectively use filter actions and calculations in Tableau, enhancing your data visualization with interactivity and precision.